So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and basically have two different WhatsApp accounts on two different devices. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and basically make your way over into your WhatsApp application. Now, you want to, before you log in and do all that stuff, you may want to re-download it. So open up WhatsApp and you want to get into the setup page. Then you want to click on agree and continue, which is right at the bottom. Now, when you get into this page, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the top right corner and you want to tap on those three dots. So tap on those three dots up there and you want to go ahead and click on this little option right here that says link as companion device. So tap on link as companion device, and then what it's going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to log into WhatsApp from a different device. So it'll tell you the instructions right here. It tells you to open up WhatsApp on your phone, tap the settings and these options right here, tap link device. So on your other phone, whatever you have, you can go through and just log into WhatsApp on that other device or this one, whichever one you have, and then you can link it up as your companion device. And that's basically all you're really going to have to do. So that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.